What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Tykara if you're new. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I style my micro locks. So I have to be honest here, I've been shying away from doing this video because I don't really ever really style my hair. And if I do, it's very simple. I have like 4 different ways that I style my hair. For the most part, I wear my hair down, but whenever I don't, I wear my hair like in some variation of a bun. Of course, I bring some bangs down because you know that's my thing. But besides that, I'll just wear my hair just like this. It just be down and that just be it. But I'm gonna show y'all how I style my hair, so if you want to see that, then keep on watching. Why did I do that? That was cringe. So like I was saying before, I never really ever style my hair, but whenever I do, believe it or not, I consider this to be a style whenever I have like a really deep side part, because I don't really do it that often. Usually I just go with my normal middle part, but I don't even want to count this really because it's not even like a style. I didn't do anything but just go like this and like flip it over, but I would consider this a style, I guess. So this would be number 1. But style number 2 that I actually used to do a lot before whenever I had my loose natural hair. Here we go. It's really simple. All I do is grab a couple of pieces of hair in the front. After I have my 2 little bang pieces going down, I just take the rest of my hair and I pull it up into a bun. Usually whenever I do this, in order to get the most volume, I don't know if this is fact or fiction, but I feel like it's fact. Whenever you use like smaller hair ties like this, I feel like it kind of takes away from the volume because it's not tight enough. So whenever I'm doing styles where I have like a high bun or updo, I like to use scrunchies that are really thick because I feel like it kind of helps push my hair up so that it can sit a little bit higher than it would normally with that smaller hair ties. So I like to take these. My hair is actually fresh from a braid out, so I don't have as much volume as I normally would. So if you're gonna do this style, I would recommend that you do it on like old hair, like a 3-day-old hair or 2-day-old hair or something, so that you know you'll have a little bit more bounce. The only thing differently that I have to do now, because my hair is not old, I don't want to say old hair, but you know what I mean, like it's not like 2-day hair or anything, it's freshly styled hair basically. I just have to grab my hair in sections and make sure that I'm stretching it at the root as I'm pulling it up into smaller sections so that I can make sure that I get it without causing like a big hump in the back of my head, because my hair is kind of thick. So I just grab it in sections. Tell me why you keep moving, little focus. Tell me why you keep... Just to get it a little bit more flatter, I do that. And also, I know that it seems like I'm being really rough and I'm pulling my hair really tight, but I'm not. Well, I am right now, but you'll see whenever I put my hair tie around, I just do it once. I just do it one time. I can't be like some people out here are just really sacrificing, going through a headache for their hair to be like slicked back and tight, and I just can't do it. So I just tie my hair ties around once, and that usually just works for me. You see this little one? Yeah, I lost this lock a little while ago. If you saw my 3-month update, then you found out why I lost this. But I lost like 3 little baby ones back here, and that's why they're so short and they won't fit into my puff. Y'all, this is my, and I try to tell you, man, whenever I get ready to step out and I want to do something different, it's this style right here. But this style has been seen so many times that it's not even special anymore. But I still feel good whenever I wear it. By putting your hair up into sections, this goes for loose natural hair too. By putting your hair up into like little sections at a time, you know, grabbing a piece, stretching it out, grabbing another piece, stretching it out, it'll help like kind of stretch your hair out at the root so that it can be voluminous at the top. So that's what I would recommend doing. But y'all look like 360 way. I don't know why I love these little bangs, so y'all are gonna see this again and again and again because this is just my favorite thing to do, especially because I don't know, my hairline looks kind of weird, so this kind of covers that up. So yeah, so going off of this, the next thing that I would do is put my hair in the same way basically, but this time instead of, well, it's kind of clumpy. This time instead of pulling all of my hair up, I just do like this part right here and do kind of like a half up half down type of thing. Of course I keep my bangs because honestly at this point I'm attached to them. If you see me without my bangs or without some kind of hair in my face, ask me what's wrong. Sometimes with this style it can be like a little iffy. Sometimes it looks good and sometimes it doesn't, so I don't know. I do it right sometimes and other times it looks a little weird, but this is it. Just a little half up half down thing going on. One of the ones who love you. Yeah. So the next style, y'all, when I tell you these bangs not going nowhere, they not leaving, you heard me? This is like the emergency style that I usually do whenever I'm either not feeling it or I have freshly washed hair and my hair is like very shrunken up. This is what I do to kind of prep it for the week so that it can get stretched out again. I'll just take a hair tie. I can put this one away because there's no need for it anymore. And I can just put my hair into a low bun or ponytail. It doesn't really matter. I usually do like a ponytail and then I do it kind of off to the side like this, so it can be like a side pony. And I'm trying to tell y'all, these bangs, they stand because I think it looks super cute and it looks really good. So this is, I don't even know what style number this is. I'm just gonna show you because I don't know. So this is my side pony. The next style, you guys, let's go ahead and tie our bangs up because we're gonna need them. This one is like really, you can go two ways with it. You can go really messy and like carefree. Did you see that? You can go really messy and carefree, or you can just like try your best to get a straight part. I usually just go like really messy and carefree because I really like the way that my hair looks whenever I look like I didn't try to do anything. That is what this style is. I'm just going to put my hair into two low buns. I'm only going to take the ponytail holder and go around one time. Like that. I can't deal with my hair whenever it's like tight and hurting. Like I can't concentrate and I cannot function throughout the day. So I usually just take it and I go around once. And if the ponytail holder is like really big like this, because I can't find my other one that's this small, I'll just take it, go around like that. This is like one time around, and then I just bun it like that. Now the only thing is with this style, you kind of got to do some delegating and regulating because sometimes like the buns might be like wonky, like lopsided like this, and sometimes like one might be lower than the other one, but as long as it looks about even from the front, I'm good. You already know these bangs, they stand. What is with all this lint in my hair? Did I get it? I think that's it. So there it is. I got it. Most of these styles can be like out of your face styles, but I like having my hair in my face. I like having my hair all over my head, in my face. That's what I live for, so that's usually what I go for. But yeah, this is it. The part is not straight in the back. get you a little mirror, a handheld mirror, hold it up to like a bigger mirror so you can see how to part it, and you'll get it straight. But I don't mind my hair not being perfect. That's this style. So that's it for this video. I hope that y'all could take a little bit of inspiration from some of these styles that I shared with y'all. That was hard to say. So that was it for this video. I hope that y'all could take some inspiration from some of the styles that I shared. These are very simple, very beginner friendly. If I can do it, I bet you can do it or better. So if you decide to try out any of these styles, please tag me in it on Instagram at @tykara.ann. I would love to see what your variation looks like. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. So that's all that I have for y'all today, and I'm out.